ISO system implementations, training and improvement activities. By presenting a system for examination-related awareness management, a constant learning procedures within examination planning can be instituted. Anyway, the effect of certificate on a company goes beyond assisting financial or manufacturer execution. It has also confirmed to influence employee jobs and probably employee recompense. Of course, it is suitable to announce that the business domain is depicted by increasing diversity and dynamics. Through complexity and holism methods are progressively being utilized to discover and depict complex health framework behavior. Little is recognized about how can we use it like a qualitative survey methodology in quality development. This course explained how a holistic communicate approach formed our theoretical scene, our formulation of the survey issue, and our option of methods and methodology. I explained how my course design unlocked modern chances for perception as well as possible limitations. My usage of complexity and holism method as a qualitative survey methodology develops both complexity and holism theory implementation and qualitative survey design via holistic communicate approach. These views will be helpful to researchers searching other complex frameworks, tropes, and interventions. I expect the usage of holistic communicate approach will donate an innovative scene to the great body of survey which demands to develop ISO 9001-2015 via holistic communicated approach. ISO management frameworks have enjoyed amazing prosperity since the initial chain of ISO 9000 was inserted in 1987. Anyway, this prosperity is clear in the quickly growing number of certifications, the variety of ISO system implementations, and the increasing attention in ISO in improving countries. Survey has discovered that companies had to select the kinds of training required to perform ISO 9001 standard in the institution. This course systematically dissects various ideas of holistic communicate technique and depicts holism and complexity from ISO 9001-2015 via holistic communicate approach, generating new views how to classify holistic communicate technique for constant development. The improved ISO 9001-2015 via holistic communicate approach permits institutions to describe and specify procedure complexity in order to mirror on the suitability of their procedure management techniques. Moreover, it awards an extra scene on procedure dissection for tapping the complete possibility of procedure development schemes.